Hello ladies and so do you gentlemen, my dear students, welcome to the new lesson of our Scratch Meet Edu course. Okay, we continue with our mobile friendly game, but before we do anything, I want to point out on our do jump block. Okay, this time we use mouse, and for example, if we click on jump button, it could happen that we keep our mouse pressed a little bit longer, and that can cause is that our cat jumps twice, and for now we don't want something like that. So in our do jump block we will use this command. So before our cat jump we will make one pause. So we will use command wait .1 seconds. .1 seconds means 100 milliseconds. And now our cat will not be able to jump twice when we click on our jump button. Okay, and now let's continue with our game. From this video lesson we will try to implement something like a joystick. So we will add 4 another arrows. I will click on sprite up and now right click and choose duplicate. Okay, and we should have, okay, here it is, but I will remove it up. Okay, this is up too, but I will remain it right up. Okay, and now let's go to the costumes. And we will try to rotate this arrow, so be sure that select tool is selected, and now just click and drag and try to make a rectangle around our arrow and choose this double arrow and rotate a little bit to the left. No, to the right, because we call this right up. Okay, it should be something like this. Okay, and now let's go to the code. So when we touch this arrow we should broadcast message right up. Okay, and let me again hide cat for a while. Okay, and I will drag this arrow here, so it should look like this. Okay, but I will remove it here. Okay, and now I need again up, open,